We set out to raise the fun factor for your pool, to make it as easy to maintain as it is to enjoy. Meet the Frog Leap system, truly a leap forward in pool care. It kills bacteria 2 ways, using a special blend of minerals along with a very low level of chlorine, up to 50% less than conventional pools need. So you enjoy fresh mineral water, which feels softer, is kinder to suits and surfaces, and stays cleaner longer. We designed the system so it's beyond user-friendly. Everything is pre-measured, pre-filled, and contained within the Frog Leap infuser. Here's how. The anti-bac mineral pack pops into the infuser first to establish the right level of sanitizing minerals in the pool. This pack lasts 6 months or 1 pool season and is then swapped out for a new one. The torpedo pack drops inside the anti-bac mineral pack. This delivers the low level of chlorine that works with our minerals to destroy bacteria. You change this cartridge every 1 to 3 weeks depending on the size and use of your pool. And at the beginning and end of the pool season, you use the Frog Leap Pool Wake Up and Pool Hibernation Kit, 3 different packs that pop easily in and out of the Frog Leap system to remove contaminants, set the chlorine residual, and prevent algae. See, there's no handling chemicals, no lugging buckets of chlorine, and most Frog Leap packs are completely recyclable. It really is plug and play. And so efficient, it can reduce your pump runtime and your energy costs by up to 1/2. But the best argument for Frog Leap comes from pool owners. Erica P. told us, Frog Leap keeps owning a pool from being a chore. It's just summer fun. David B. says, love the ease of use. And from Pat G., I'm a first-time pool owner, and I'm very happy with Frog Leap. It's so easy. Isn't it time you leapt forward into the future of pool care? With Frog Leap, you can. No mess, no guess, no stress pool care.